Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are making Kashmiri Khatte Baingan or Sok Wangan. This delectable dish is made with fried brinjals, simmered in tangy tamarind infused gravy and adorned with a blend of aromatic spices. For the sourness, we will take some dried tamarind pulp and add 2 cups of hot water to it. Soak this for 5 minutes and then squeeze out the tamarind pulp extract. Then strain out any remaining solid pulp to get a smooth tamarind extract. Take cleaned and washed brinjals. Then cut them into quarters like this and check if there are any defects in them. For deep frying, take mustard oil. And when the oil is smoking hot, gently drop the brinjals in batches. On low to medium flame, fry the brinjals for 5 minutes until the insides are golden brown. When done, take them off the oil and keep them aside for later. For the gravy, reduce the oil which was used to fry the brinjal. Then temper it with black cardamom, a stick of cinnamon, cloves, green cardamom, a few black peppercorns, and whole cumin seeds. Let the spices crackle, then add chopped garlic and fry for 2 minutes until it's fragrant. Then add grated ginger and a small chopped onion and fry for 2 minutes. Next, for the spices, add fennel seed powder, turmeric powder and Kashmiri chili powder. Fry these dry spices for a minute to cook off the raw flavors. Then add hot water to prevent the spices from burning and cook the mixture until the gravy starts to release its oil. As you can see, the gravy has a vibrant red color because of the Kashmiri chili powder we had used. At this point, add in salt as per your taste and mix it in. Next, add the tamarind pulp extract we had made earlier and bring the gravy for a rolling boil. Finally, add the fried brinjals into the gravy. Simmer for 5 minutes so that the brinjals can soak in all the flavors from the gravy. Once the gravy has reduced to your desired quantity, add in some fresh chilies and take it off the heat. And there you have it, Kashmiri Khatte Baingan, a dish that's as memorable as the beautiful valley it comes from. Subscribe for more delicious recipes like this, and until next time, happy cooking!